Hi everyone, Cherie here. I am so excited that the new Hope Kit has just arrived on my doorstep. So I thought I would open it up and give you a look at what is inside. We've got this cute little card on the top. That's Hope herself. Okay, what do we have in here? Let's get rid of all this. Alrighty. Oh, so I've got beautiful florals, lots of fun things to look at. So I'll get everything out and give you a closer look. Okay, so we have lots of pretty things in the kit this month. I'm going to start off with the Hope stamp set, and I think we all need a little bit of hope right now with what's going on in the world. But this has so many lovely phrases on it, like every little thing will be okay, look for the good, we've got good morning with the sun here, you've got this, every day is a fresh start, the best days are ahead, and we have this little rainbow section here. There's good night, on the bright side, hope. We have this capital H here with a line and the word hope underneath it. That's very cool. We've got a heart here, some stars, and it also has a little AM and PM stamp, which is great if you're doing a project involving time. And there's this today circle as well. I always love a circular stamp, and that is the Hope stamp set. Absolutely love that. Next up, we'll take a look at the puffy alphabets. We've got 2 packs of alphabet stickers in the kit this month, which is awesome. We've got this beautiful pinky colour here. It's like a dusty rose or a light corally colour. So we have the full alphabet and numbers there, which is great. And this one, I think, is my favourite. I'm going to bring it nice and close, because this one has a tiny polka dot on these letters, which I absolutely love. So again, we have the whole alphabet, we've got numbers on the back. That is awesome. So 2 lots of puffy alphabet stickers in this kit. We also have some washi tape. This is called Hearts, and it's got all the different colours from the kit in this washi. Super cute. Absolutely love that too. Alright, we do have buttons as well in this kit, and these are so pretty. I'm going to pull these out of the pack. We've got some little heart shape. We've got flower shaped buttons included in this little mix, and a few different shades of pink, and we've got the white ones there as well. So they are really pretty and really lovely too. I haven't used buttons on my pages for quite a while, so it's going to be fun to get back into doing that. So they are the Hope buttons. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the mini file folders. These are so cute and really fun. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different mini file folders in this little set here, and they're roughly 3 by 4 inches. Open them up, they've got a colour on the inside as well, plus the little tab on the edge there. These are going to be so much fun to use. So many different things you could use these for. You can use them on layouts, for hidden journaling. You could even join all these together and make a little mini album out of those. That would be really fun as well. So I can't wait to play with these. And as you can see, lots of lovely colours and patterns. This gingham one has black on the inside. We have this larger gingham pattern with, it's like a light yellow on the inside. We've got this diagonal stripe with pink, a polka dot here, lovely pink, and it's like a really light grey or bluish grey on the inside. We've got this black and white polka dot one with a darker, oh, it's interesting colour, it's like a bluey green colour. Beautiful floral with the pink on the inside. So they are gorgeous, really fun, something different we haven't had, so that is going to be lots of fun to play with. Okay, let's take a look at the journaling cards here. So this first one has a cute little house on it. Absolutely love that. As always, on the reverse of each journaling card we have either a grid or a dot grid. This one has the dot grid on it. We also have this diagonal striped card with this section at the bottom here where you can stamp into it or embellish it, and that one has the dot grid on the back. This one here has a cute little heart on it with the 2 shades of this greenish colour, and a dot grid on the back of that one as well. We also have this week number card. Now this would be perfect to use those puffy stickers on to add the week number there, or you can stamp the number as well. And this one has dot grid on the back. This one here is like little yellow starbursts. That's really cute. This one has the grid on the back of it. We've got this beautiful floral card here. Again, there's a section down the bottom here for journaling or stamping or more embellishments. And that one has the dot grid. We have this multicolored grid on this one with the kit colors. I love that one. Really pretty. And that one has a grid on the back as well. This one here says a beautiful day begins with hope. I love that. And we have the grid on the back. We have another pretty floral card here, and this has got like a light pink grid in the background of it as well, and a grid on the back. We have a black and white stripe. They're always handy to have in your stash. Grid on the back of that one. Then we have this one here with this dusty rose colour with tiny hearts, which is really cute, and a grid on the back. And this last one we have here, it's got a date up in the top corner. So you could use this for journaling. It's also got little grids on it as well. So there's all sorts of things you could use that for. So that is the last card and has the dot grid on the back. So they are the Hope journaling cards. Okay, next up we have the gorgeous die cut shapes. I've zoomed in a little bit so you can get a closer look at these. There are a few hexagons in this one, which is really fun. We've got a few phrases that say, do more of what makes you happy, good moments. There's this large hope word as well. Little circular die cut here that says love this. We've also got smaller words here that say remember, home, together, it's the little things, and reset. I absolutely love these little potted succulents. They are so cute, and I'm a big plant lover, so I'm super happy to see those. We've got gorgeous florals as always. There's Hope herself here, a little ampersand and a couple of little tags here. They're super cute, really tiny little tags. We've got a couple of labels, some larger hearts over here. We've got a beautiful blue bow. These are super cute, tiny little hearts, and these have holes in the center, so they're like cardstock sequins. I'll just see if I can give you a closer look at that. See the little holes in the center? So you could use those for threading onto some twine. Lots of different things you could do with those. Stick a brad through the center if you still have brads in your stash. I know we haven't used those on pages for quite a while. But beautiful. Such a beautiful selection. There are 38 pieces in this little set. So lots to choose from. Lots to embellish your pages with. Absolutely loving those. Okay, next up we're taking a look at the Hope paper pack. So as always, it has this packaging strip on the front, so make sure you keep this and use it. I've used this on layouts, traveller's notebook spreads, cards, so it's really handy to have. So don't let it go to waste, make sure you use that one. We also have the monthly 3x8 card. It's been in every paper pack so far this year. These are great to use on a layout or in your pocket page album. It has the lines on the back where you can add some journaling. I'm using these in my pocket page album this year, and I think it's really great for adding a bit of consistency for your album as you go through it. So that's the May card there. Next up, let's look at the actual papers. So we've got the gorgeous floral pattern here, perfect for fussy cutting. Absolutely love this paper. On the reverse of that, we have these black and white stripes, and we've got this gingham branding strip. It's like a very light purplish colour, so it's a really pretty colour there. Now we have these beautiful hearts in this rainbow as you go down the page, like an ombre rainbow. It's so pretty. On the reverse of that, it's called crisscross, and as you can see, there are these tiny little crosses all over this pattern. And on this branding strip, we have like a freehand yellow scallop. Next up, we have spots. So it's that really pretty greenish colour, like a sage type colour. On the reverse of that is called numbers, so it has all these tiny little numbers all over this pattern. And then there's this bold stripe down the branding strip. Next up is the beautiful confetti paper here. Absolutely loving the colours in this kit. On the reverse we have this grid. It's actually called Windows, but I love that it's in these rainbow colors from the kit. So pretty. And on this branding strip, it's like a really light greenish gray and dots all the way down there. Next up we have stripes in that really pretty yellowish color. On the back of that we have black and white polka dot. Let's see if I can get that to focus. So that black and white polka dot there, really lovely. And we have confetti down that branding strip. Okay, the last pattern paper is this really pretty pink plaid. And then on the reverse of that we have the black and white flowers called petals. And there's this it's another style of freehand scallop down that branding strip. As always, there are the two solid colour papers in the pack, and they all have this scallop detail down that branding strip edge. So this is like a dark corally colour on this side, and then we have the lighter pink on the other. And the other one is that gorgeous greenish colour, and on the back is that lighter shade, always with that branding strip with the scallop. So they are the Hope papers. Really loving each and every one of those. Okay, so before I finish off, I wanted to show you a few other things that you can get as add-ons in the Felicity Jane store. Some of these are in the Hope section and others you'll find in the new section or the essentials section. First up, we have these gorgeous embroidered hearts. I want to give you a closer look at these because they are really pretty. Look at that embroidered detail there. So they are called the embroidered hearts. I believe there are 6 in this little jar. So cute. They are in the Hope section in the store. And you can also get the Hope stamp. So that's Hope herself. It's super cute. And there is this hearts washi. So it's very similar to the Hope washi with the coloured hearts, but it's black and white. So that is gorgeous. Other things I have here as well, which you can find in the store, the beautiful rainbow stamp set. I absolutely love this and I cannot wait to play with it. So this one has the words Hope and when it rains look for rainbows down the side. So all of these are individual, so you can use whatever colors you like, and there's a couple of hearts there as well. So that is a super cute stamp set. I also have the month and day stamp set here too. So it has all of the months and days in this beautiful scripty font and in capitals as well. There's also down here the little colon and that slash there for when you want to write the date. So that's really handy. It also has the word year down here as well. So that's the month and day stamp set. There's also cute little pom-pom trim that I I actually ordered for this month. You can find this in the store. Always fun to have lots of trims in your stash. And I don't know if you realised it, but you can get your white cardstock through Felicity Jane when you place your order. So this is the Essentials white cardstock in 12 by 12. I love using this white cardstock. It's such a beautiful quality, lovely and smooth, great to stamp on as well. And you can now get it in the 6 by 6 size as well. So I am really happy about this. You get lots of sheets in that pack. So if you do need more cardstock, remember that you can add that on to your order when you are making an order. Now, with the Hope kit, it has actually sold out already. However, all of the individual items like the paper pack, the puffy stickers, the alphabet, sorry, the stamp set, the buttons, the die cut shapes, the mini file folders, the journaling cards, all of these things you can buy separately in the store. So if you go to the Felicity Jane store, go to the Hope section, all of these things are available individually. So that's great too. If you didn't want the entire kit, you just wanted, say, the file folders or the stamp set or just a few things, you can order all of these things separately. So I'll pop a link down below if you do want to go and grab some of these beautiful things for yourself. And thank you for joining me today. I'll be looking forward to bringing you some projects using these goodies very soon. Have a great day.